जी अस्सलाम वालेकुम. First of all, Sarishan, thank you so much for giving this opportunity. I am Umair from Kohota. Uh, I am a software engineering student, which I complete 2020. Let's talk about freelancing history, freelancing services, and how anybody can join freelancing as a job or a career. What is the freelancing definition? Freelancing is a term which are being used refer a type of worker who work on their own. A freelancing definitions a person who self-employed work at home. Now we're talking about services. The services include freelancing as data marketing, social media marketing, graphic designing, assistant, web designing, data entry jobs, and many more which your interest. Now we're talking about freelancing in America. In 2015, 998 million American work as a freelancer, and 2018, 1.05 billion American were spending time as a freelancer. The percentage has increased from 53 percentage in 2014 to 61% in 2018. Now we're talking about major freelancing marketplace. There is a lot of freelance work out there. For example, people per hour, guru.com, Fiverr, Design, Craigslist are the most famous freelancing websites where anybody can go and work. Now we're talking about traditional freelancing and non-traditional freelancing. Traditional freelancing means client come and post their projects, and non-traditional freelancing means freelancer post their services, and clients come and check their services. Now talking about get to order on Fiverr, which is the most famous on freelancing marketplace. First of all, we need to proper profile setting that we will discuss, which includes title and tags, packages, descriptions, image, videos, promote your videos. Now we're talking about title and tags. First, you choose your keyword which you are ranked for, and search on a Fiverr and make sure the result are sorted by relevance. Open a gig that are on the top. Um, Open a gig or that are on the top. Create write title and tags on a notepad, analyze them, and create your own title and tags. Packages, again search on main keyword on Fiverr. This time make sure the result are sorted by best selling. Open 10 random gigs and analyze the packages and write your own packages as a base of previous packages that you are searched. And description, in description, first line will contain main keyword on their title or gig, and new paragraph shows that it will what I do basically. A new paragraph call to action, structure of work, reason to choose me, and key points should be in bullets. And now we're talking about image. Image that you use on a freelancing marketplace should be eye-catchy, attractive, and nicely. And if you are looking at some freelancing gig that are success, which success, you observe all of these have a video. So you should make a video. Promote your videos. Now we're talking about promote your videos. One important step is promote your videos on social media like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn. If you are a content writer, you can create, you can use hashtag writer. And if you are a digital marketer student, and you can use tag digital marketing agency or something like that. You will see the difference in your gig views within a few days. Now we're talking about 80-20 principle. This rule is the most important in your whole life. The principle tells us learn new skills you interested in practicing, and the 80% means learn a skills and practicing those skills, and 20% means show these skills as you want.